is there a better place to be than in your greenhouse on a rainy day? I don't think there is. I'm just making sure everything's got labels. These are sort of not doing much. This is unheated propagator. These little things are great for cuttings. Geranium Dreamland there. These two heated ones are going great guns actually. This Oxonianum, Geranium Oxonianum Phantom, really coming along great. Yeah, just two little propagators and the amount of heat they give off. Got some very exciting phayums that I've divided. That one's got the most beautiful mark in it. But I check all my folders and stuff to make sure I name them correctly before I give them the full identification. See that? It's got the chalk mark and it's got the yellow. Just stunning. Stunning. I mean, this is still great. Something's nibbling that one. It won't be far away, or I put it in nibbled, one of the two. So yeah, fantastic to be in here on such a grim day. Another exciting one. Look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Oxonianum, which literally can be planted anywhere. But not shade, perhaps, is a better thing to say. Got some Geranium Nodosum Silverwoods there, 5. Some different phayums over there. Yeah, coming along nicely. These are big chunks that I put in. Look at the crown there. Fabulous, ready to shoot up. Yeah. Very, very cool. I mean, I'd rather be out there, of course. Look, look, look. But instead, label time.